Hello, here Priyanka with another project named Electronic Piano using Arduino. We have seen some applications oriented project using Arduino like water supply control, home automation, etc. Sometimes we make projects just for fun like LED cubes, hand gesture control of computer, etc. So this project is based on Piano project using Arduino comes under the category of fun project. As you know, this project doesn't have any real world application but can be used to understand certain features of Arduino, like its sound producing capabilities using the tone function. Okay, so how to make Arduino based piano? Instead of asking how to make an Arduino-based piano, the correct question should be how to generate different tones using Arduino. We know that Arduino is capable of producing PWM signals. I will be using these features of Arduino to generate tones. The other way to generate tone using Arduino is to use the function tone function. So using tone function, you can generate square waves of different frequencies, but with fixed duty cycle. Internally, the tone function relies on the timers of Arduino or the 80 mega 328p microcontroller to be more accurate. So this is all about what is Arduino based piano. So let me clear this circuit. Okay. So here I uses 8 push button. As we know that very basics of music is 8 tone, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So that tone is created here. When I will start simulation, you get to know very clearly. So this is push button where we take push button as input, and this is resistor for better use of pitches, and this is a buzzer, and this here as a output. So when we provide input here, then output will be come from this buzzer as a tone. Okay, and this is Arduino as you see on, and this terminal and this terminal, one terminal is connected to ground and one is given a power supply of 5 volt power supply of 5 volt from Arduino, and this terminals were connected to the different pins of Arduino, and also different pins can capable of producing different tones. So what I uses here is the pin is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So as you see here, this circuit, it is very clearly be able to see here. Hope you will understand it. And this is, as I told, just for entertainment. Everyone needs entertainment in the day-to-day life. So I thought of making some different from that oriented project. So I made this. Now, how it works? Let's get started our code. What code says? Its code is very easy. Anyone can code, and they can create their desired tone whichever they want. Okay, so here is the code. As you say here, first what we do, first here is the 8 pin, so we provide a pin number which is connected to Arduino, as you see here. Now what we have to do, that we have to produce output from what, buzzer. So it is connected to pin 13. Now as I said before that it is output, sorry, it is input. So here we declare this button as a input and buzzer as a output. Now as you see here we use digital read so that input can be read, okay, by the Arduino. Now we here create 8 if statements as there is 8 push button. So as you see here, if b1 is equal to 1, then tone buzzer 350. So here this means that this is tone, this is buzzer from which output comes out, and this is the frequency and this is the delay. That is, it is the delay of frequency. Okay. Similarly, as you see, up to 8 it is done. You can create this frequency as per your desired. Okay, and this is a delay of 10. This is for a nice pitch. Okay, it's all up to you. You can make different tones as per desired. So this is all about code. Also, one thing I want to mention here, that as this is not a manual project, this is a simulation project. So if you want to do it manually, then there available a library called peaches.h. As you see here, different notes are available here. So if you want to save this on your IDE, so from here you can save. Let me taught you how you can save these pitches into your IDE. Okay, as for example, mm, here is the file. Okay, from here you have to go to new, and here you have to go to new tab, and then you have to put here name pitches dot h, and then you done saving. Okay, as this is already in my file, so after you done saving, then a blank page like this will open, and you have to just copy paste that defined tones here, and just then you have to go to save, and that new library will be saved to your Arduino. So this is all about uh, how to save your libraries in Arduino. Okay. Okay. Now let me start simulation so that you can understand better. So when I start simulation, it is initializing. Now when I press this push button, you will able to listen some noise coming out. Sorry, not noise, some tone coming out from this buzzer. So this is. So as you hear, listen this tone: sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. If you listen it properly, you will be able to recognize this tone. So this is online simulation process, so there is some error in signal, so sometime noise interruption may come. Okay, so if you try it practically offline, then it will definitely runs as real piano do. So this is all about my today's project, piano using Arduino. Hope you will understand it better and do explore more. Thank you.